In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get out of compatibility mode in Microsoft Word. If you've ever opened a document and noticed that the title bar says compatibility mode, you might have experienced limitations with certain features, formatting options, or modern tools. This usually happens when the document was created in an older version of Word, such as the .doc format, and Word is restricting some functionalities to maintain compatibility. To begin, open Microsoft Word and load the document showing compatibility mode in the title bar. This is a clear sign that the document is still in an older format. While you can still edit the document, some of the newest features like advanced graphics, updated styles, and collaborative tools may be disabled until you convert it. To unlock all modern features, you need to convert the document to the latest Word format. Click on the File tab, then select Info. Here you will see an option labeled Convert. Click on it and a dialog box will appear explaining that converting will update your document to the current Word format. Confirm by clicking OK. The document will now be updated and compatibility mode will be removed from the title bar. After converting, it's important to save your document in the new format. Click File, then Save As, and choose the location where you want to store the file. Make sure the file type is set to Word document with the .docx extension, then click Save. This ensures that your document will retain all its content and formatting while allowing you to use the full suite of Word features moving forward. Once your document is converted and saved, take a moment to check that all formatting looks correct. You can now use modern styles, advanced tables, graphics, and other Word tools without restriction. If your document contained any older elements, Word will handle them automatically, so you don't need to worry about losing content during the conversion. It's also a good practice to keep a backup of your original document, especially if it contains important data. Converting does not delete any content, it simply updates the file to support new features and ensures better compatibility with the latest version of Word. By following these steps, you can quickly get out of compatibility mode and make full use of all the tools Microsoft Word offers. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.